Alright, running up to my Hurricane now that it's daylight and kind of see what it looks like. The guy that had it before me really wrecked it hard, so everything's kind of pieced together. But I kind of wish I could keep it the stock color, but I had just flat black and everything except for the tank because it's too good of a, too good a paint. So, but just a 600, and I have the door somewhere, but I don't know where it is. Kind of funny with sled necks on a motorcycle, right? But pretty decent ride. Fire it up. I don't know what that rapid noise is. I don't know if it's my cam tensioner or the valve job needed or something. I just really got it, so. Really loud on this side for some reason. Shooting black smoke and flames. I don't know. Might need a good carburetor job or something. I guess it sat for 5 years before I got it. But there it is. Hope you liked it.